Alright, here in front of me we have the Gozney Tread and my stopwatch. I'm gonna get inside, I'm gonna make a pizza, see how long this oven can take to cook a pizza. What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. It's the Pizza Guy John, and in front of me you can see that I have the Gozney Tread as well as my stopwatch. So that only means one thing: I'm gonna make a pizza and I'm gonna see how fast this oven can make a pizza in. Right now the temperature is looking a little over 600 degrees Fahrenheit. If we take a look in the inside, we're looking at about 680, 690. So the oven's pretty good. It's not blaring hot, but I'm gonna leave it at medium. I'm gonna get inside and make a cheese pizza. Once I come outside, put the pizza in. Once the pizza's fully in, I'll start the clock and we'll see how long it's gonna take to make a pizza. There'll be no edits as far as making the pizza, but as far as cooking it, there'll be no edits. All that will be real time and to see how long it takes to make a pizza. So let's get inside. Let's get this on. All right, so like I said, I'm gonna get the pizza in. I'm gonna hit, once it's fully in, then I'm gonna hit the timer and we're gonna see how long again it cooks. No edits. All right, and start. And again, this is the Gozney Tread. This is about a 12-inch pizza. We're looking at about 10 seconds or so in, 15 seconds. Smells good. The crust is looking good. Again, the stone is saturated pretty well. It was on for maybe 45 minutes to close to an hour. So we're looking at about 30 seconds now at this point. All right, I'm gonna go in and let's get this spun around. And again, there's no edits to this. Go all the way around, back in the stone. Looking at about a minute. And get turned up just slightly. It is a little windy today, so that also may have an effect on it as well. But it's cooking. You can see the stopwatch. We're looking about a 1 minute and 10 seconds now. Bottom is nice and cooked. It's gonna be a tight squeeze right there. So I did go pretty big with this pizza. About a minute and a half in, I'm gonna go ahead and spin this around. And so like I said, it's about a 12-inch pizza, so we're looking pretty big as far as the oven, as far as the pizza in the oven. Crust is starting to look pretty good. Let's get this over here. And as you can see, it is a pretty tight squeeze in there. So 2 minutes in, not the fastest, but for an oven, let's get some area over here. Actually, get some of that. All right, so we'll finish off this area right here. Get this little area. All right, so we're looking at about 2 minutes and 40 seconds for a pizza fully cooked in the Gozney Tread. As you can see, the bottom is looking nice and crispy. I think this is a win. You know, you can go a lot quicker with it, but as far as what I'm looking at, looking nice, crust is looking good, nice and crispy all the way around. So I think this is a win. 2 minutes and 41 seconds with the Gozney Tread. Like, comment, subscribe. Check out my new videos that will be launching weekly. Check out my Instagram at the Pizza Guy John, and we'll talk there.